Well, that was quite the ride yesterday. If you've never been over Beartooth, it's definitely not for the faint of heart. Typically, we don't like to ride in that inclement weather on top of that mountain, but we had no choice yesterday but to do it, so we did it. Anyway, I'm down here at the fairgrounds in Rad Lodge, and we went to town and had some breakfast at Pringy's. It's a pretty good joint, good breakfast, reasonably priced, and here in a couple hours we'll be headed over to the rodeo over here. They're doing a bike rodeo. We are going to go for a little ride here. We'll catch up with you on that ride at some point, and then back at the rodeo, and we'll have some highlight reels of that. So we'll talk to you guys later. Oh yeah, beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera, but there's a waterfall right there. And there was another one earlier too, but this little spot here is just after, after the Stillwater mine. So I think we'll head back to Red Lodge now and go and watch some people maybe wreck their bikes for fun. Lots of bikes. Been coming here for about 10 years. I've missed quite a few years in between there, but first time I ever came was 10 years ago. But here we go. We're gonna go watch some craziness, if you can already hear that. Next event is the obstacle course. As you can see, there's like a teeter-totter thing that turns into like a mini jump coming right up. Now we know what to do. That's an old iron head, or yeah, it's an iron head.
Let's give it up for Kyle.
Yeah! That is straight up iron head. That's cool. Rodeo. Lots of great contestants. Give it to you. Hats off to them for running it. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. But wait, there's more. Tiebreaker round for barrel racing. Hold on to your seats.
This is for all the marbles, brother.
Give her the iron. Come on.
Ready?
Shut down. There you go. Come on, dude. Yeah. Was this your first Iron Horse?
It was my first full Iron Horse.
Yeah. What did you think?
It was awesome. A little nail biter there for a minute, thinking people were going to crash.
Ah.
But they didn't.
Luckily.
Yeah.
Pretty cool events though, huh?
It was a good event. I think my favorite one to watch was the barrel racing.
Yeah, that's my favorite too. It's just obnoxious. The rest of their games are fun too, but barrel racing is quite the challenge.
The funniest one was the toilet paper one.
Yeah, for sure. Hey guys, put it in the comments what your favorite event was. Catch you guys later.
That's how it's done.
Yep. Well, it's a wrap. We pulled up stakes. We're headed home. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys make it up to Beartooth sometime. Check it out. Do the rally, do the mountain. Maybe not necessarily in those orders, but get out there and ride your motorcycles.